DPSK. Now DPSK, the main difference, DPSK, the difference from BPSK is that the BPSK is the coherent mode, but it is the non-coherent mode, and otherwise the transmitter and receiver more or less same as BPSK. But here in DPSK, the non-coherent mode of BPSK, where the encoded bit depends upon the previous bit, that the encoding bit, present encoding bit is depend upon the previous bit. Now let's see the waveform, how it looks like. Now we try to transmit this binary data stream. The data stream is 10110010, right? And we try to transmit this binary stream through the transmitter. Now the polar NRZ form is look like this. We all know that in polar NRZ, the 1 is represent the positive A and the 0 is represent negative A. That is look like this waveform. Now after that, we encode this binary data stream. Let's look the transmitter diagram. Here we see that we try to transmit this digital data, that is 10110010, this digital data through this polar NRZ encoder, and after that it is transmit through a encoder. This is basically a logic gate. Inside this encoder there is a logic gate, but another portion of logic gate, that's encoder, output of the encoder, it is feedback with a bit delay. So here the encoder, the BPSK output, that is ST, is mainly depend upon the present data which is coming from the digital data through polar NRZ, and as well as the previous data, that is the bit delay we get from the bit delay. Now we look at this waveform. Here we see that if we starting as the active high, that we consider that our previous state is high, that is 1. Then in case of DPSK, the basic rule of DPSK is when the present state is 0, there is a transition. But if the present state is 1, then there is a no transition. So according this rule, we try to explain this data stream. Here we see that if we consider that our starting reference bit is 1, that is active high, then this 1, the present state is 1, so there is a no transition, then the 1 should be transmit as a 1. After that, the present bit is 0, so there is a transition, so the 1 is converted into 0. After that, there is again 1, present bit is 1, so no transition, that is 0, this remain to be a 0. Then again there is a 1, so no transition, that is 0. There is a 0, so transition, so 0 should be 1. Then 0, that 1 should be 0. 1, so no transition, that is 0. There is a 0, present bit is 0, so the latest bit is, there is a transition, so 0 become 1. I hope you will understand how we get this type of data stream. Now we consider the phase of this present data stream. That is, after encoding, we get this data stream and we consider the phase. How we consider the phase? In BPSK, we see that there is a carrier, one carrier, that is cos omega ct. There is a no phase difference in the first case, so plus 0 phase. When it's transmit, we want to transmit 1. But in case of 0, when we transmit to 0, the phase is minus cos omega ct, that we represent as a cos omega ct plus pi. So in case of 1 is represented with the phase of 0, and 0 is represented with the phase of pi. So according these rules, we try our present phase. Try out our present phase. If there is a 1, so phase is 0. 1, phase is 0. 0, pi, 0, pi, 0, pi, 1 0 0 pi 0 pi 1 0. Now the bit delay in if you see the transmitter, there is a bit delay, so 1 bit delay. If the 1 bit is delay, then this one is coming this time period. This one is coming this one time period. That is, this is come here, this come here, this 0 here, 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 like this, and this one will be there. Now after that, again we figure out the phase accordingly these rules, and we get this type of phase. Now we compare this two phase, that is that is one is the present data, encoded data, another is the delay data. If the two phase is same, that is here the 0 and 0, if the two phase is same, then the output phase is plus. Then the output is plus. If the two phase is difference, then output is minus. Like that, plus minus we compare these two phase, and we accordingly that we get the sign. If there is a positive, then we consider as a 1. There is a negative, we consider as 0. So now 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0, and it is exactly same output which we will want to transmit through the transmitter. That is our binary data. That is 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. That is same as 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. Now if we consider active low, that is 0, if there is an active high 1, if we consider active low 0, accordingly that in the same rule we will follow the same rule, and we get the same output data which we will want to transmit through the transmitter. And here I also figure out our receiver section also. We will see that this is a decision making device which is decide the output is ones or zeros. Now your main question is how the 2-bit errors are present there in DPSK system. 2-bit errors, how? Now if the binary data 10110010, when we start to transmit through this encoder, if there is a 1 data is become errorless, that is if in case of 0 it is transmit as a 1. I consider this data, this fourth bit is considered, originally it is 0, but if there is any error, then it's considered to be a 1. If this bit is 1, accordingly that the phase is also changed. In case of pi, it is become 0. And as well as in case of shifting, that is delay data, it also changes, because this 0 which is become 1, that's come into here. So 2 bit is effect here. One is present bit as well as the delay bit, and also the phase is change also. In case of 0, that is pi, but in errorless figure, that is 1 becomes 0. So that's why our main figure is changed. In case of 1, we will get 0. In case of 0, we will get 1. So basically the 2-bit errors are execute here. So that is the main problem of DPSK system.